tail lights for my truck. I think they'll look pretty cool, but I'm open to information or anybody's opinion. Hang on a minute, I gotta get them out of the bubble wrap. Anyways, they're LED, except for the backup light, of course, but the outer rim with the outside the silver divider is for your tail lights, and this section here is for your brake lights and turn lights. I think it'll look pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get them installed and see how they look. There's the stock ones with the lights on. Tail lights and backup lights. There's just the tail lights. Here's what they look like normally. They're kind of a carbon fiber look. I don't mind those. I think they look pretty cool, but we'll see what these other ones look like. And to get these old ones out, there's a screw goes in there, and a screw for that. Just regular Phillips short screws, and it comes right out. And you just disconnect the bulbs. Top one's tail light, middle one's brake light. The bottom one is the backup light. There's all the lights out. Tail light, brake light, backup light. On the back side of this would be tail light, brake light, and backup light. Alright, I got these plugged in, and one thing I've learned on LEDs is always check the polarity. I see a red light. And tail lights all work. Sorry, my nose is running. I got allergies. There we go. Looks like it works. I think that's going to work pretty good. Now we just put the screws back in. Go from there. Okay, we got them all plugged in, ready to go. The wires look good. Now we just set it in there and put the screws in. Alright, got that in there. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. Now for the other side. Alright, looks like we got this one working too. This is the other side. Like it. No hyper flash. Alright. Very cool. There they are installed. I think they look pretty cool. Modernizes the truck a little bit. And here's those screws. Got one here and one here, and the whole thing just slides out. I like the look a lot. like them. Let's turn them on. Alright, there's the tail lights. Well, they work great. I see that. So what do you think?
Did you put new lights in?
I did. They look good. And cool. Let's see what the brake lights look like. If I can get them to work. What's the matter? That's just brake lights, so I know they work. Cool. Alright, I think I'm done. I like them. I think they'll look good.